I'm bored, I'm gonna go watch some TV.
Oh, report cards. The floors are painted.
Why do you have a baseball bat with you? Who said I have a...
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, NASA has discovered a 50-mile wide asteroid named X-50, is heading on a direct collision course towards the planet. This asteroid is expected to impact the Earth within the next hour, approximately 1 mile off the north coast of Libya. When the asteroid hits, large tsunamis will form, a giant earthquake with a magnitude of 50 on scale will occur, temperatures will drop to 500 degrees and the sun will be blocked for about 20 years. Since this asteroid was discovered in such short notice, there is nothing you can do to save yourselves. There is no place to evacuate to survive. There is no reason to stay calm, go into panic mode. Gather your friends and family and say goodbye to your beautiful planet. If you think you can survive, do whatever you can. After this emergency message, all TVs, computers, radio stations, phones, and internet connections will permanently shut down. This system will now cease transmission. Goodbye forever.
No, we all gonna die, no.